Today we're doing some coding. Programming, it's so crucial. I have Esther and Rebecca with me today. My name is David, and today we're going to be playing a little game here. And I thought I would need the help of Esther and Rebecca because they're very good. So why don't we go ahead and get started? I want to welcome you, Esther. Esther, how are you?
Good.
How are you, Rebecca?
Fine, thank you.
Okay, so what do we choose, guys? Should we go for Steve or Alice? Esther, what do you think?
Alex.
And Rebecca, what do you think?
Maybe Alex.
Maybe Alice. Okay, because they're all going for Alice, let's go for Steve. Sorry, no, we're going for Alex. Okay, now we see this beautiful URL there, and it's studiocode.org. Okay, you can go there and learn. But this puzzle is very important because you learn the foundations of programming. It says in here that add a second move forward block to reach the sheep. So I'm going to go over here and do okay. Now we see Alex here, and he needs to move to the sheep. Why don't you zoom up a little bit more for every one of us to see how it looks like. So that's Alex here. He needs to move 2 blocks to get to the sheep. And when he gets the sheep, he can go and take what he needs from the sheep. And so the idea really is to, let's take a quick look at this. I'm going to do some writing on here. Esther, how many blocks are we supposed to move to get to the sheep?
I don't know. Let's just find out.
Okay. What do you think, Rebecca?
2.
2. Okay. So we're going to move. There's a first block, second block, and then we see the sheep. Is that correct?
Yes.
Okay.
Let's
Let's try that. Why don't we try that? So to do that, let's go back to the original size, and this way it is we want him to move forward. Okay, so it already says move forward, but first find out, would that get to the sheep or not, guys?
No, it'll just go one block.
One block. Okay, let's go. It only goes 1 block. You're correct. It only goes 1 block. Okay, so then why don't we make it in such a way we can go all the way? So we add an extra move block. Let's look at the code whilst we're there. It says move forward, move forward. This is JavaScript, so that's another way of learning JavaScript. Okay, this was developed by Berkeley and Harvard. So whilst you're doing the moving, check the code to see. So girls, the code is move forward, move forward. Rebecca, are you okay with it?
Yeah.
So now Rebecca and Esther, when I press run, what happens?
It should go next to the sheep.
Ah, so there he is. He is happy. And let's look at the code. We move forward, and that is it. Yeah? Okay. So let's go to puzzle number 2. Now, the wood is a very important resource. Many things are made from it. Is it true? What do we make from wood?
We make paper from wood.
What about you, Esther? What about a table?
Yeah.
What about books?
Books made of wood.
Yeah, paper comes from wood.
Yeah, books are made from wood,
Yes,
and some
paper comes from wood.
cardboard.
Cardboard are made from wood. A lot of things are made from wood.
Yes.
Yes?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go. So now, walk to the tree and use the destroy block command to chop it down. So walk to the tree. How many blocks to the tree?
I think will be twice.
1, 2, then you're there, right?
Yes.
So we need to go this way and that way, and we're there. So let's do that. Why don't you walk to the tree? First, we're going to move forward twice. But the instruction says walk to the tree and then finally do what to the tree?
Destroy block.
So we say we're going to destroy the block. Yes?
Okay.
Now when you do run, oh, and it works. Wonderful. So that is how it should be. Yeah? Okay. Let's look at the code. Move forward, just like before, but now finally destroy the block. So let's continue. So puzzle number 3. Sharing sheep time. Use the share command to gather wool from both sheep. Now, the sheep are not close to each other. One is directly ahead of Alex, but the other one is down there. So we're not just going to move forward again. We're going to move forward, get some sheep, and move down and get some sheep wool, right? So I think. What do you think, Rebecca? What do we do?
So just let's first go.
Move forward
twice. And then spare.
Move forward twice and then share.
And let's just do that for now.
Okay. Let's see what we do. So we got what we need now. Now, what do you think, Esther? What do we do now? How do we get to the second sheep? Do we go left or right?
I think you should go backwards.
Backwards will go this way. Or you don't want to come this way?
If you come that way, you need to fit in that gap next to the street, and then you go there.
Okay, let's have a quick look. What do you think, Rebecca?
So I think that it has to be right.
You turn right, and then
go forward.
You move forward. How many times?
Once.
One, and then what do you do when you get there?
And then you just share.
And you share. Alright, so let's reset that and press run and see if our code works. Yes, so we shared. Perfect. And it's good news. So that works fine. Yeah? Okay.
Just 6 lines of code.
Just 6 lines of code. Oh, look at us. Now it says we need to build a house before the sun goes down. Houses require lots of wood. Now we have 3 trees. Tree 1, tree 2, tree number 3. So how do we get wood from these trees to build? So we need to go to this one, that one, or go this way, that way, and that way.
But it already has that.
Which way? Yeah, it has some information in there. Let's see what that information does. Really run. That will take us to the first. Good. So now it wants us to do the rest. How many blocks to go to the second tree?
2.
So if we move forward twice, 1, 2. When we get there, what do we do to the tree?
Destroy block.
And then, once we've done that, we need to move how many times? 10. Turn left. And then we move forward how many times?
1 time. 2 times.
2 times? Okay. And then destroy block. You guys think that's correct? Esther, what do you think?
Yeah, I think it's correct.
Okay, why don't you do that? Let's see. 1, 2, you got some wood. You got some wood. You see, we needed to move 1 extra block. Because there's another block here, but it's hidden by the leaves, so it's hidden here. So let's do that again. Perfect. And so we finish the task, right? Okay.
It's just like 3 times 5.
Exactly. Let's have a look at the code. Move forward, move forward, move forward. But you see, it makes the code so long. Maybe there's a way of making it shorter instead of typing move forward, move forward, move forward. So maybe in the next video we will do that. In the meantime, so definitely Alex has gotten some wood from before and he needs to now build his house. But to build a house, you need to lay your foundation and start building your walls. Is that right?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, so that's what we're going to do. Now, what you're going to do is every house starts with a wall. Build the first part of your house by putting the place and move forward command inside the repeat loop. This is a repeat loop. It means that when I click this run, you see this one run, the colors are the same. When I click this run, I want you to do what I'm about to put in here 4 times. So what I want to do is I want to place wood there. I want to move forward, and I want you to place the wood again. Move forward, place the wood again, move forward, place the wood again, and finally move forward. And do you girls think that will do well? Rebecca, what do you think?
Yes, I think it will do well.
Okay, what do you think, Esther?
I I think we'll do well too.
Okay, so let's go ahead and then why don't you press run? You want Rebecca on the press run? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. Oh, that is amazing. That is truly remarkable. So that works fine.
Because when you had to do it,
Mm-hmm.
you had to put a birch plank before
You move.
went. Because
That's
if you just moved,
Then
you didn't put a birch plank in the other place.
Yes, you miss that block. Okay.
Yeah.
So now the code in JavaScript says start counting from where you are, which is 0 in maths or in science or in computing. 0 is also countable. It's where you start from. Okay. Count and then count up to 4. So for every time you count, you go one step. This is count plus plus, and so you place your block, and then you move forward. Then you go again, move forward until you get to 4. So this one really says do everything you're doing until you get to the 4th block. Yeah. Okay. All right. So let's pause for a second and go to the next. 6. Now I think we're gonna go easy. We all wanted easy. Yeah, that's how you learn to build. Esther, what do you think?
Yeah.
Easy good?
Yep.
Okay. So now for 3 times he moved the birch 1, 2, 3, and then he placed the planks in there. So he must have had 1 before, and then he moved 1, 2, 3 there. So now where we are, we need 1, 2, 3 to do the same, and then 1, 2, 3 to do the same, 1, 2, 3 to do the same, and we're going right. So when I press run now, see, it turns right, move again. Yeah. So, but how many times are we going to do this? We've done the 1, 2, 3. So what are we going to do? We're going to repeat this thing 3 times. So I'll take another repeat here. And I'll put all this in here. I'm just saying, do whatever you were doing before, but do it 3 times because you got 1, 2, 3. But 3 plus 3 is 3 times 2. 3 is what? 9. So how many blocks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now let's see if the code is correct. 1, 2, 3. 10 right, 1, 2, 3, 10 right, 1, 2, 3. Brilliant. And it works. So we call this nesting. So you put that repeat in another repeat. If not, you have to do the same thing 3 times. Why don't you reset this? Let's look at the code first. And the code just says, whatever you're doing before, put it in another counter, which is just doing it 3 times. Yes. Okay. So now let's reset. Let's go back and do it a different way. Let's select it again. Now let's reset that completely. I'll take this string away from here, and I do this. I can repeat the same thing by copying what was in the other one. Move forward, place birch, and then turn right. Then I'll do another one here again. Move forward, place birch, turn right. You have to do it 3 times. The 4 sides of this block. 1, 2, 3, 4. He's already done the first block, so we just need to do 1, 2, 3. So I've counted. So 1, 2, 3. So we need 1 more to go. So we go back in here. Move forward. Place birch, and then finally. We don't need to even 10 right there, but it doesn't matter. Now, when I run this code, now this made the code so long. But that is if you want to do it that way. What we did earlier was cleaner, but let's go ahead and see how this looks like. run. We're going to the first block. Then do the same thing. Third block, 1, 2, 3, and then turn right. It's done, but you see the code was too much. When you look at the code now, it's going to be a long code. So it's better you make it shorter. And so to do that, we make it shorter, we make it neater. Let's go back here again. Go back to where we were before. We just repeat this process 3 times and that's it. Let's run one more time to make sure it works. Excellent. How do you guys find it?
Really fun.
Okay. Alright, so now let's go to the next puzzle. It's good to plan ahead. Plant crops on both sides of the water so you don't get hungry later on. That's true. But first, we've got this side, and there's water here, and we have to go across and plant over there. So, first you have to count the number of blocks.
So it's 1.
So let's just, instead of using Alex, let's come from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's use this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so 6 blocks on each side. So that's 12 blocks in total. What is 6 times 2?
12.
12. What is 6 times 2?
12.
Excellent. So what you're going to do is, we're going to repeat something 6 times here.
Yes.
For one side. So you plant a crop and you move forward. Yes, when you do that, it's going to do only one side, but we need to go to the other side as well. So we can turn right from there. Yeah? Turn right, move forward, plant a crop, and turn right again and plant the others. Why don't you see how this one looks like first? So he's planting. So he's planting. So now we have to move forward 2 times and then turn right. So move forward 2 times. Yes?
Yes.
And then turn right. Now let's see how that looks as well. Let's reset that. So it's planting. Yeah, planting crops. Is move forward 2 times, turn right. Good. So now we have to repeat whatever we were doing before. Yes? So we're going to repeat all this. Now to repeat all this, you may have to put this bit here again. So later on we think of how to make the code shorter. Plant crop and you move forward again. Okay? Later on we have to make the code a little shorter. It says 11 out of 11 blocks. Okay. Yeah, we'll see if we can do it. Good planting.
There's a growing now.
Yeah, he did not plant the last one. Because when we turn right, let's repeat that. Let's reset and see where we go wrong there. Okay, so then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. When he turned right, we were supposed to move forward. Let's have a quick look. Let's do it one more time. Lovely. So when you turn right, you have to move forward, because when you turn right, he did not move forward and he started. So you wrote 11 lines of code, and the code is so short. Look at that. Yes?
Yes.
Oh, you guys excited? Because that's a different challenge now. There are some monsters. We need to escape the monsters. So running into a creeper is a bad idea. Carefully move past the creepers and reach the safety of your home. Now, his home is, let's try and write a plan. Always good to plan how you're going to get out of a situation like this. So let's go over here. And let's take a pen. Now, his home goes this way, that way, and in here. Right?
Yes.
He can also go straight in here, go up this way, turn left, and go home. Which way is the safest way?
The shortest way.
Okay, so it means we have to know how many blocks that he's going to need to cover. 1, 2, 3. Turn right here. 1, 2. Turn left. 1. Turn right. 1. Turn left, and then move up. So we have to write it down. Okay?
Yeah.
So he's going to move 2 times. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. If I move 4 times. And then it turns right. Right turn. Move 1, 2. Turn left. Left turn. Move 1, 2. Turn right. So 2 left, 2 right, and then 2 left. Ah, okay. So let's go. So the blocks is 1, 2, 3. For the 3 blocks, 2. So let's move. Let's do it this way first, and we can put the code later. Move forward 3 times, right? And they actually put the code in there for us. Move forward 3 times, but you cannot move forward first without turning left. So we turn left first. Turn left this way. Move forward 1, 2, 3. Turn right. Turn right. Okay, move forward 1, 2, 3. Turn right. And move forward 1. Move forward here. And then turn left. Turn left here. Let's do it so far and see what we got to first. 1, 2, 3. 1. Okay, so turn left there. We have to move forward again. How many times? 2 times. Or is it 1 block or 2 blocks? 1 block.
1. It's 1. It's 1 block.
Okay, let's check that out. 1, 2, 3. Turn right. 1. Turn left. 1, 2, 1. Then you turn right and turn left. So we
Just turn right. Just turn right, and then you're home.
Turn right, but okay. Let's look at that. 1, 2, 3. Turn right. 1. Turn right. You have to move forward.
Move forward.
You turn right. You move forward, and finally you turn left to get home, right?
Yes.
But you see, it says turn right, move forward. Turn left, move forward. Turn right, move forward. So we have to find a way to make this work for us. So do this 1 time. Turn right, move forward. Turn left, move forward. Turn right, move forward. So that's doing 1, 2, 3 times. And then turn left. If I put this here and I say turn right, bring this down. Don't hide from us. Rebecca, are you there?
Yes.
Esther, are you there?
Yes.
So you turn right. Exactly. Turn right and you move forward. So you turn right, you move forward. So the first one is turn left, move forward 1, 2, 3. Let's reset that. Turn left, move forward 1, 2, 3. Turn right, move forward 1.
Because if you do it twice, the creeper will get you.
And there's no twice. There's no. Yes, exactly. Let's see. So we cannot use a repeat for it then.
Yes, that's true.
Turn right, move forward. Turn right, move forward. Okay. So let's fix this. Let's run the first. 1, 2, 3. Turn right. Move forward. Then turn left. Okay. Turn left, move forward. So turn left, move forward. 1. Do it 1 time. There's no 1 there, that's the problem. So we can't use that.
Let's just try that.
Okay, let's try that. 1, 2, 3, turn right, left, 1. You see? Yes, so we got it wrong. Alright. Let's check again. 1, 2, 3. Turn right, 1. Turn left. This way. So when you get here, you move forward 1, then you turn left. Turn left, you move forward, yeah? 1, 2, 3, turn right, turn left, turn right. So over here, you see turn right, turn left, turn right. Yeah?
Yeah.
So we do that 2 times. Let's reset that and see what we got. 1, 2, 3. Turn right, turn left, turn right, turn left.
We're home.
That's it. We're home.
We're home.
Let's go back in there. And let's get rid of this code here. So you move 3 times. 1, 2, 3. You turn right once. You move forward. And then you turn left. You move forward. You turn right. You move forward. Turn left. Move forward. That's it. So as we said from the beginning, like our drawing showed earlier. Let's mark it up. So move 3 times, it says. So this one is 1, 2, 3. You turn right over here. You move forward once. You turn left over here. Move forward once. Turn right over here. Move forward once. Turn left. Move forward once. So move 3 times. You turn right. You move forward. You turn left, you move forward, and then the code is completed. So that's how it works. Alright, so let's go to the next one, and this may be the last one for this episode. We can do the remainder on the next video. Okay, Rebecca, so you will find the most valuable resource on the ground, but it can get dark. Place at least 2 torches and mine at least 2 coal. So the place is dark. We need to put a torch somewhere so it's bright. We can put a torch in this corner over here.
In that corner.
So yes, I can put one in that corner, but that corner is too far from where the mines are. So these are the mines.
Yeah.
So let's put this light here to see how much. So we can put a torch in here. Okay, but that means you have to go forward. Let's turn right here once, turn left here and move. So let's turn right and turn left, and let's move forward twice and place a torch to see. Then if the place is bright enough, we think of what else to do. Okay? Okay, so the code was incorrect there. Let's fix it. Let's reset the guy. Okay, so where it is, you need to move forward 1, 2, 3 and turn right and move forward once. So move forward. Move forward 1, 2, 3. So moving 1, 2, 3, turn right. Place torch without moving forward. Let's see what we get. 1, 2, 3, turn right, place torch. I want the torch to be on the other side, so another move. Let's reset that. You guys okay?
Yeah.
Alright, so we got our torch in there now. So now we need to move. Well, it's got a gold on the left hand side anyway, so you need to mine at least two coals. So yeah, we can mine the ones closest to the torch. So we can move right, turn right and turn left, and then mine coal. Or easiest, turn left.
But wait,
Yes.
why can't we just like go forward and then just mine the coal first?
We can do that if you want to. So that's part of the project. So guys, in the next video we will finish this off. We thank you for viewing. Why don't you say goodbye to our viewers, our precious viewers?
Goodbye.
Goodbye everyone. You think about this puzzle for a while. We'll bring you the fix. It's an easy one, but of course it involves a bit of planning. So see you in the next video where we can complete this puzzle number 9. Thanks for watching and see you soon.